Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Pad X8a, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. For me, that will be the home screen, which is already open and visible on my screen. Once your content is visible, simply hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. And you'll get this animation right here with share and scroll options visible, and first time around it also gives you this kind of visual indication what you can do, and afterwards it's just gonna look like this and automatically disappear after like a couple seconds. Now once it disappears, you can find it under the gallery by going into albums and screenshots. Now here you'll find screenshots and screen recordings, but it's still much easier to find your screenshot in here than an entire photo gallery with literally everything there. So here's a screenshot that I've captured just a second ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.